In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Odoo, including how to incorporate a payment gateway, all in just 5 minutes. So, if you're ready, let's dive right into it and make your Odoo platform capable of handling payments seamlessly. First things first, you need to log into your Odoo account. If you're new to the platform, remember that the login page is your gateway to all the comprehensive features Odoo has to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can see an array of different applications and tools available at your fingertips. Now head over to the invoicing application. The invoicing section is essential as it manages all your financial transactions within the system. In the top menu, you should find configuration. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select payment providers. This area is the command center for handling all the different payment methods and providers you're planning to integrate into Odoo. You'll have two options here. You can either create a new provider or select an existing one that you want to configure. If you're starting fresh, click on Create. This option will allow you to add a completely new payment provider that suits your business needs. However, if there's an existing provider you want to modify, select that one from the list. Next, you'll need to choose your payment provider. Odoo supports a range of popular providers such as PayPal, Stripe, and others. Selecting the right provider is crucial as it directly impacts how you will accept payments from your customers. Make sure to research which provider is the perfect fit for your business. Once you've chosen your provider, the next step is to enter the required credentials. These might include API keys or other authentication details. Credentials verify your access and connect your Odoo account with the chosen payment provider securely. So ensure you have these details ready and enter them carefully to avoid any errors in the payment processing. The final step in this quick setup is to enable the provider and save your settings. Look for an option or toggle to activate the provider to start processing payments. Don't forget to hit the Save button to store all the changes you've made. This step is particularly important to ensure that all your configurations are applied correctly. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a payment method using a gateway on Odoo. With your new payment provider activated, you're now ready to handle transactions smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial empowered you to enhance your Odoo platform swiftly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides like this one.